Get ready to experience the future of SUVs. Today, we're diving into the all-new Volkswagen Atlas, a vehicle that's setting new standards in design and performance. Stick around to see why this might just be the best SUV of the year. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Let's start with the front of the all-new Atlas. The redesigned bumper features a wide lower intake with a stunning diamond-like mesh pattern. This, combined with the new LED headlamps that seamlessly integrate into the upper intake grille, gives the Atlas a modern and cohesive look that's hard to ignore. Moving along to the side profile, you'll notice a more streamlined bodywork. The fenders are less pronounced, and the door handles are now retractable for a sleek and sophisticated appearance. The character line has been elevated and is more subtle, adding to the refined look. At the rear, the Atlas sports a scalloped lower bumper and a simplified liftgate. The full-width LED tail lamp cluster closely resembles that of the new Tiguan, contributing to the Atlas's contemporary and sophisticated appearance. Under the hood, the second-generation Atlas and Atlas Cross Sport are ready to mark their final product cycle as internal combustion vehicles. They are based on the MQB Evo platform and come equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine. This engine has been enhanced from the previous 269 horsepower turbo inline-four and is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. For those interested in electric capabilities, there's exciting news. Taking cues from Europe's Tiguan, a PHEV configuration may be available, featuring a 19.7 kWh battery. This would offer an impressive electric range of 62 miles, 100 kilometers, and a total power output of 268 horsepower. Front-wheel drive is expected to be standard on base trims, with all-wheel drive available optionally or as standard on higher trim levels. The new Atlas is more than just a pretty face, it's a powerhouse of performance and efficiency. So, what do you think about the all-new Volkswagen Atlas? Is it the SUV of your dreams? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.